Have you ever wondered which foods can boost your gut health? In the next few seconds, you'll learn about 3 amazing foods: kefir, cabbage, and lentils. Kefir is loaded with probiotics, which are essential for a healthy gut. Cabbage offers a high amount of fiber and antioxidants, keeping your digestion smooth. Lentils are another fiber-rich option that aids in digestion. Together, these foods can significantly improve your gut health. Add them to your diet to feel the difference. What if I told you 3 simple foods could transform your hair? In the next few seconds, you'll learn the secrets to shiny, healthy hair. Eggs, salmon, and walnuts are the best foods for luscious locks. Eggs are rich in protein and biotin, crucial for hair growth. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish your scalp. Walnuts are loaded with biotin and vitamin E, keeping your hair strong. Add these to your diet to see. Have you ever wondered how to get glowing skin naturally? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how avocados, tomatoes, and green tea can transform your skin. Avocados are packed with vitamin E and healthy fats. This keeps your skin hydrated and smooth. Tomatoes? They're rich in lycopene, which fights off skin-damaging free radicals. And let's not forget green tea. Its antioxidants rejuvenate and protect your skin. Combine these foods in your diet for a radiant complexion. Ever wished you could have flawless skin effortlessly? Now you know the secret. So start adding these superfoods to your daily routine. Glowing, healthy skin is just a few bites away. What if I told you that you could protect your eyesight with just a few foods? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how. Carrots are full of vitamin A. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A. These nutrients protect your vision and support overall eye health. Add them to your diet for bright, healthy eyes. Have you ever wondered what foods can supercharge your heart health? In the next few seconds, you'll learn about 3 heart-healthy foods you should add to your diet. Oats, almonds, and olive oil are all you need. Oats are packed with beta-glucan, reducing cholesterol. Almonds provide healthy fats and fiber, perfect for your heart. Olive oil is rich in unsaturated fats, known for heart benefits. Mix these into your daily diet for a stronger heart. Your heart will thank you. Ever wished you could breathe easier every day? Let's dive into foods that support lung health. First up, broccoli. It's packed with sulforaphane, a powerful detoxifier. Next, apples. They're rich in flavonoids, which reduce lung damage. And don't forget ginger. Its anti-inflammatory properties help clear airways. These foods are nature's way of protecting your lungs. Incorporate them into your diet for maximum benefits. Try adding broccoli to your salads or stir-fries. Enjoy apples as a snack or in smoothies. Use ginger in teas or your favorite dishes. You'll feel the difference in your breathing. Ever wondered what foods can help your stomach feel its best? Stick around to find out. In the next few seconds, you'll learn about perfect foods for your stomach. First up, yogurt. It's rich in probiotics. These are good bacteria that enhance digestion. Next, ginger tea. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes your stomach and reduces bloating. Lastly, bananas. They neutralize stomach acid. Perfect for avoiding discomfort. Include these in your diet. Your stomach will thank you. What if I told you one food could boost your brain power? In the next few seconds, you'll learn a simple yet effective way to enhance your memory. The secret? It's salmon. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain health. These fatty acids improve memory and overall brain function. Studies have shown that people who eat salmon regularly have sharper minds. But wait, there's more. Omega-3s also help in reducing brain inflammation. So, if you're looking to keep your brain in top shape, add salmon to your diet. Remember, a healthy brain is just a bite away. Want to strengthen your bones? You'll discover 3 amazing foods that can help. In the next few seconds, you'll learn what to eat for stronger bones. Ever wondered which foods are best for bone health? First up, milk. It's full of calcium and vitamin D. Next, sardines. They have calcium and omega-3 fatty acids. Finally, kale. This leafy green is loaded with vitamin K and calcium. These foods are powerhouses for your bones. Include them in your diet and feel the difference. What if I told you 3 superfoods can boost your liver health? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how beets, garlic, and green tea can help keep your liver in top condition. Beets contain betaine, which aids in liver detoxification. Garlic is rich in allicin, a compound known for its detoxifying properties. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that protect liver cells. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly support liver function. Want to keep your liver healthy? Start eating more beets, garlic, and sipping green tea regularly. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more tips on healthy living